In the heart of a dense, verdant forest, there lived a humble perch named Percival. Unlike his peers, Percival had a unique gift: he could speak human language. One day, Percival found himself lost in the labyrinthine woods. Percival wandered for days, his tiny heart heavy with fear. He encountered various creatures, each offering him guidance, but their advice led him further astray. Percival realized that their wisdom was tainted by their own flaws. One day, Percival met an old owl, who had lived in the forest for centuries. The owl offered Percival a piece of advice: seek not the wisdom of others, but the wisdom within. Percival pondered the owl's words. He closed his eyes and sought the stillness within, listening to the whispers of his heart. In that moment, a flash of insight illuminated his mind. The key to finding his way was not in the wisdom of others, but in his own intuition. With renewed courage, Percival ventured forth, trusting his inner guide. He found a path that led him back to his home, proving the owl's wisdom true. From that day on, Percival never feared the unknown, for he carried within him the wisdom of his own heart. The tale of Percival serves as a reminder that true wisdom lies not in seeking the counsel of others, but in trusting our inner voice. In our journey through life, we must learn to listen to the whispers of our heart, for it is the truest guide we will ever have.